I stumbled across some training on the James Beard Foundation YouTube channel that's targeted at restaurant owners who want to add additional revenue sources. One of the presenters is Irene Lee, a restaurant owner with a brick and mortar business that she's expanding. She started with a food truck in 2012 and has continued to grow from there.
We also kind of have all this co-branded stuff, including online and in-person cooking classes, especially dumpling classes. In 2021, dumpling classes online were almost half of our revenue. And so that will continue to be part of the factory and cafe. And then, of course, books, and then trying to hustle as much press as we possibly could.
Did you hear what Irene said? During the pandemic, her virtual cooking classes made up almost half of her revenue. Cooking shows are not just something fun to do. Cooking shows are major revenue generators. And as far as hustling as much press as possible, what better marketing platform is there for a restaurant than a cooking show? It does take time to build your audience, but once you have an audience for your cooking show, you no longer have to worry about hustling up press, because the press is going to want to talk to you. Everybody knows who Keith Lee is, and that brother doesn't cook anything. We know who he is because he put the work in to build his own platform. If you take matters into your own hands by creating your own cooking show, you won't need anybody else to help you promote your restaurant.
We are kind of a lifestyle brand in a sense, and we have all these products that sort of wrap around the main product, which is the dumplings. So my team right now is working on soft opening our 5,000 square foot factory and cafe. You can see there's a window that looks onto the onto the factory floor. And then we have a dining room in front that we're going to use for serving guests, of course, and also for classes. Private corporate classes are where it's at. For our corporate clients, we also ship kits of materials. So they get everything in one box. It has all the instructions, it's ready to go, and then they just log onto Zoom whenever they're ready.
Pay attention to what she's telling you here about how getting corporate clients makes your life easy. What's the easiest way to get those corporate clients? By using YouTube to put yourself into their homes on the big screen TV with your cooking show.
Hi, we're back cooking with Sharon, and I have an amazing breakfast item for you today.
You have to make people know you exist, and a cooking show is a great way to do it. She's telling you that she teaches these corporate classes virtually, and you can do the same thing. You can do online classes as your only business model, or you can use your online classes to generate the revenue you need to expand your brick and mortar business. Instead of applying for bank loans, you can use your cooking show to be your own bank.
Our growth on YouTube has kind of been this snowball. On September 1st, 2020, we launched our first video, and by February, we started getting around 1.5 million views a month. It just started becoming like more and more significant income, both from YouTube and all the adjacent opportunities that come with having a bigger viewership. Then I thought this really could be a viable career for us. Today, we're currently at 370,000 subscribers. We're on pace to do about $50,000 in income a month through YouTube. We want to sell merchandise or do co-branded cooking utensils. I feel like the possibilities are endless.
Creating a cooking show is not hard, and hosting your own cooking show is the best marketing you can do to grow your restaurant or your food truck or your catering business. Cooking shows are all over every channel on TV because they consistently make money. In my Cooking Show Accelerator, I can teach you how to create your own cooking show this weekend. Use the link below when you're ready to change your life by hosting your own cooking show.